Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. So yesterday I was expecting a huge gap down. The reason was Federal Reserve. There was Federal Reserve meeting yesterday evening, and they had given some indication that they are not going to likely decrease the interest rate, or they are not going to likely hike the interest rate also. So they were neutral. And before this event, before this binary event, there was, if you see the US market was deeply in the red. In fact, yesterday when our markets were on holiday, US markets were down by more than 350 points, or let's say not even 350 points, more than 500 points. It was down more than 500 points. The reason was Federal Reserve may increase the interest rate, or Jerome Powell will come out and say that they are going to likely increase the interest rate. That was the main thing concern about the market, but he gave a neutral news. And this is what RBI governors or central bank governors do, right? They don't come outright and say that we are going to do that, we are going to do this. They will diplomatically put it, they will put it in a diplomatic way that the markets are not affected. So that is what has happened. So market participants were afraid that Jerome Powell will come out and he may give indication of interest rate hike, but opposite to of everyone's expectation, he came out and he was in a neutral stance. So they are going to be neutral. They are not going to hike the interest rate, or they are not going to decrease the interest rate. That was a positive news, and our markets in fact US markets rallied, and it was a positive news for Indian markets as well, right? So you saw what happened today. US markets, let me take you to the US market so that you get a understanding of what is happening in US market. As I talk to you, US markets are all in the green, whether it is NSE, sorry, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq. If you see here, everything is, it is not it is almost flat. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. 0.5% it is green, and 0.5% whether it is NSE, Nasdaq or S&P, and even Europe is in the green. So we don't have to worry about what is going, maybe there is going to be a big gap down, or markets may crash. We don't have to worry. So whatever in terms of Jerome Powell is history now, we don't have to worry about those things. So going forward, what might happen now? You know that Nifty and Bank Nifty is at almost at lifetime high. And if I am right, I'm expecting Nifty to go on the higher side. That is what I'm expecting. So this is a 5-minute chart, and let me change this to a hourly chart so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. We are likely, maybe we will touch 22,800 or even cross all-time high in the coming days. So downside trajectory, if you see the downside movement, I don't see Nifty going below 22,500 or even 22,000. Let's say 22,000. It is not going to cross below 22,000. It is likely to go above 22,800. It is going to cross all-time high. Actually, today was a very, very good opportunity. If you see India VIX was up by more than 4.5%, and we took a trade and our trade was, we took a positional trade, and our trade was in excellent profit. Today morning we took in Bank Nifty, and today evening itself it was in good profit, because morning, if you see, India VIX was up by more than 7.5%, and gradually as we moved forward, India VIX slowly came down, and we saw that as an opportunity, and we took an excellent trade, right? And in terms of trade, if you are not following us, or if you are not with us in Telegram, you can join us in our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Today we made a profit of around 48,000. I'm not sure whether this screen is doing the justification. We made a profit of around 48,339, and today this is our today's trade, and this is the start of May series. So we'll see how things work out. Last 2 months, whether it was March was really good, April was also really good. We are sitting in May, so we'll see how things work out. I'm sure this month should also work in our favor, or it should, even if it is not working in our favor, we will try our best to make it work in our favor, right? See, we are not having any control over the markets. We cannot do where it is going, what it is coming. We cannot do anything. All we can do is try to manage the position, have some risk management, have some kind of better management. That is what we can do, right? So in terms of Nifty, I am damn sure it is not going to come anywhere below 22,500. I'll tell you something. You know this not Russia Ukraine issue, sorry. In spite of Israel Hamas Iran issue, in spite of all this bad news, in spite of all this negative news, market has never come down, right? So it is super bullish, and in fact, market is waiting for a super momentum, which is going to be the election news, right? I'm sure BJP is going to win with majority of seats, and market is just waiting for that news. Until that, we are going to be flat, and we are going to consolidate, or we are going to move in sideways direction. That is for sure. Now, if BJP is not winning, then we might see a downward movement in the market. There might be a loss of momentum. But if BJP wins, we are likely to go on the higher side, or maybe we will see some corrections also. But I am not seeing Nifty anywhere below 22,500. All I am seeing is Nifty going on the higher side. That is what I am expecting. In terms of Bank Nifty, if you see, I am not expecting Bank Nifty anywhere below maybe 28,500. Yeah, 48,500, 48,500. Even to be honest with you, even 49,000 below I am not expecting. See, you have to remember Bank Nifty, there was an issue with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let me change this to a hourly daily time frame so that you can understand what is happening. In spite of all these things, I don't see Bank Nifty coming below 49,000. Bank Nifty, we are having issue. Kotak Mahindra Bank is having issue. Kotak Mahindra is having sizable weightage in Bank Nifty. In spite of that, I am not expecting Bank Nifty to go below 49,000. Whether it is Nifty or whether it is Bank Nifty, I am expecting both the indices to go on the higher side. That is what I am expecting, and we don't have to see about the FIA data, or we don't have to see about what other institutions are doing, whether it is HNI, DIs, all these are lagging data. So all we have to do is how to utilize this moment. And let me tell you, if you do a straddle or if you do a non-directional trade, I'm sure you will be in profit. This is a very, very good time, and you can make use of this opportunity and make a trade where you are having a non-directional trade. It might be a straddle, it might be a strangle, it might be some non-directional strategy, maybe ratio spread or double-sided ratio spread. Anything you can do so that you will benefit. So that is what we are doing, and we are in good profit. In terms of positional trades I am doing, so I recommend strongly to do a positional trade so that you will end up in profit, right? So that's it for today. Make sure you be long in this market. Don't try to short this market. It will kill you. So this is a long market. Go long in this market. So I'm not saying market is going to shoot up like anything. It is going to be flying like anything. I'm not saying that. It is going to consolidate till election results are going to be out. So be long in this market, or take a non-directional trade, be delta positive, so that you will make some good money in this market, right? So I'll end this video. It is very hot, and you can see already my t-shirt is wet. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.